Most creators are still struggling to produce high-quality AI videos because they believe advanced editing software or paid tools are required. In reality, a powerful free AI video tool already exists that can handle most of the heavy work, yet very few people are talking about it. This video is focused on revealing that tool and showing how it can completely change the way you create content. The main goal here is not just to introduce another application, but to help you understand how a simple free tool can be turned into a full content creation system. Instead of spending hours on editing or learning complex software, you will see how this AI tool can generate cinematic style videos, automate visual creation, and speed up your entire workflow with minimal effort. By the end of this video, you will clearly understand how to use this free AI video tool for consistent content creation. The purpose is to help you shift from manual, time-consuming video production to a faster, smarter AI-based approach. Once you learn this system, you will be able to create engaging videos with less effort while maintaining a professional quality output. Nobody is talking about this free AI video tool, but it might completely change the way you create content. While most creators are still spending hours editing, struggling with software, and trying to figure out complex workflows, this tool is quietly doing the work in the background with surprising results. The real question is, why is almost no one using it yet? The truth is, many people assume that high-quality video creation always requires expensive tools or advanced editing skills. This belief is stopping them from exploring simpler AI solutions that can generate cinematic visuals in minutes. And that is exactly where this free AI tool becomes interesting, because it removes the biggest barriers that slow down creators. In this video, you're about to see something most people are completely ignoring right now. A simple, free AI system that can help you create engaging cinematic style videos without technical stress. Once you understand how it works, you will start looking at content creation in a completely different way. Most creators struggle to make viral videos because they rely heavily on manual editing, traditional tools, and time-consuming workflows. This slows down their creative process and limits how much content they can produce. In today's fast-moving digital world, consistency matters more than perfection. And without AI support, many creators simply cannot keep up with demand. Another major problem is the lack of technical efficiency. Editing software, visual effects, and cinematic production often require skills that take months or even years to master. Because of this barrier, many creators give up early or produce low-quality content that fails to grab attention. As a result, their videos get lost in a highly competitive environment where speed and quality both matter. The biggest issue is not creativity, but execution speed. Even with good ideas, creators fail to turn them into engaging videos quickly enough. Without AI tools to simplify production, they spend too much time on technical tasks instead of focusing on storytelling. This is why most content never reaches viral potential, even when the idea itself is strong. This free AI video tool is designed to simplify the entire video creation process by turning basic ideas into cinematic-style visuals within minutes. Instead of relying on complex editing software, it uses artificial intelligence to generate scenes, structure visuals, and help creators produce engaging content with minimal effort. The main purpose of this tool is speed, simplicity, and accessibility for everyone. What makes this tool different from others is its ability to reduce technical barriers while still delivering high-quality output. Most video tools require editing knowledge, multiple plugins, or advanced skills, but this AI system focuses on automation. It understands prompts, interprets creative direction, and builds video content in a structured and efficient way, making it ideal for beginners and professionals alike. Unlike traditional platforms that only assist in editing, this tool actively helps in content creation from the ground up. It can generate ideas into visuals, streamline production, and reduce hours of manual work into a few simple steps. This combination of automation and creativity is what sets it apart from standard video editing tools in the market. The way this free AI video tool works is surprisingly simple. Instead of manually editing clips, you start by giving the tool a clear text prompt or idea. The AI then analyzes your input and converts it into a structured video output by selecting visuals, scenes, and motion patterns that match your description. This removes the need for traditional editing steps. Once your input is processed, the tool breaks your idea into different visual elements, such as characters, background, lighting, and camera style. It then automatically combines these elements to build a cinematic sequence. The system is designed to understand storytelling logic, so it doesn't just generate random clips, it creates connected scenes that follow your idea. After the generation process, the tool refines the output by adjusting timing, transitions, and visual consistency. This is what gives the final video a more cinematic and professional feel. Instead of spending hours on editing, you simply guide the AI, and it handles the heavy production work in a few minutes. To use this free AI video tool effectively, the first step is to start with a clear content idea. Instead of vague concepts, focus on a specific story, message, or theme that you want to turn into a video. A well-defined idea helps the AI understand your intention and produce more accurate and cinematic results from the beginning. Next, you input your idea into the tool in the form of a structured prompt. This is where clarity matters most. Break your prompt into key elements like subject, environment, mood, and action. The more organized your input is, the better the AI can generate scenes that feel connected and engaging. This step directly impacts the quality of your final video output. Finally, after generating the video, you review and refine the result. Most tools allow small adjustments, so you can improve pacing, visuals, or style if needed. Once satisfied, you export the video and optimize it for platforms like YouTube or TikTok. Consistency is key here. Repeating this process with different ideas is what leads to viral content creation over time. Most creators make the mistake of using vague or unstructured prompts when working with AI video tools. They expect cinematic results but provide unclear instructions, which leads to random and low-quality outputs. Another common mistake is rushing the process without understanding how the tool interprets scenes, which results in disconnected visuals that don't feel like a real story. One hidden issue is overloading the prompt with too many ideas at once. Instead of improving quality, it confuses the AI and breaks the flow of the video. Many users also ignore important details like mood, lighting, and camera direction, which are essential for cinematic results. Without these elements, even a good idea can look flat and unprofessional. A powerful tip is to always think like a filmmaker, not just a user. Keep your prompts structured, simple, and focused on one clear idea at a time. Add emotional direction and visual cues in every prompt, and test small changes instead of rewriting everything. This approach consistently produces higher quality, more engaging AI-generated videos. This free AI video tool completely changes the way you think about content creation. Instead of spending hours on editing, struggling with software, or delaying ideas because of technical limits, you can now turn simple concepts into cinematic videos in a fraction of the time. It shifts your focus from manual production to pure creativity, where your ideas matter more than your technical skills. The real mindset shift happens when you realize that consistency is more powerful than complexity. With this tool, you are no longer blocked by editing limitations or lack of experience. You can experiment faster, produce more content, and improve your storytelling just by practicing and refining your prompts. This is how modern creators stay ahead in a competitive digital space. If you are serious about growing as a content creator, now is the time to start using this approach. Don't wait for perfect skills or expensive tools. Start creating today and learn by doing. If this video helped you, like, share, and subscribe for more AI content creation strategies. And check the next video where we break down more advanced AI video workflows.